I'm Princess Emma. I just woke up. My tummy is rumbling. But wait, I have a fun idea. Let's make yummy pasta with modeling clay. Look what we have. Will you help me? Yay! Let's play together. Yellow modeling clay, green modeling clay, red modeling clay, and look, we have a pasta maker. We have plates, we have kitchen tools, everything we need to make delicious pretend pasta. Let's start. Perfect. Now let's put the modeling clay inside the pasta maker. Ready? Push, push, push. Wow! Look! The pasta is coming out. It's so long. So funny. Let's make even more. Beautiful. It looks delicious. Now let's make the tomato sauce. Take the red modeling clay. Squish it. Squish it. Squish it really well. Great job. Now let's spread the tomato sauce all over the pasta. Yummy. Our pasta looks delicious. Now it's time to make the meatballs. Let's roll little balls. Roll, roll. 1 meatball, 2 meatballs, 3 meatballs. Wow, it looks amazing. I have another fun idea. Let's make even more pasta. We can make different kinds of pasta with our modeling clay molds. Maybe spaghetti, maybe bow tie pasta, maybe shell pasta. Wow, so many fun shapes. And let's make some vegetables too. Yummy. Now our pasta is colorful, healthy, and delicious. What is your favorite? The pasta? The tomato sauce? The meatballs? Or the vegetables? Our pretend pasta is ready. Wow, it looks amazing. Thank you for cooking with me today. I had so much fun playing with you. Did you like our colorful pasta? If you had fun, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next videos. We'll have many more magical adventures together. I'll see you in the next adventure. Bye-bye, my friends.